wish you were here. We would probably be upstairs, lying in my bed. I pat you on the back. We were talking, we would laugh, and you'd understand.
What's going on, everybody? This is Island Hopper TV travel highlights coming to you from Gwangan Beach, right here in Busan, Korea. This is South Korea, obviously. Starting out here at the flower garden, and I'm going to walk that boardwalk showing you what's going on down here. So if you're looking for an area to get a hotel, I would say that Hotel Primavera seems like a nice one. They also have the Ocean Bridge. It looks like they got a rooftop lounge up there. You also have the Hotel Ocean View and a few others around here, but that's right there on the northern part, or north east part of the beach, I would say. So now we're gonna walk here. Beautiful little flower garden. They're all in pots. It is October. You can see, even in October, it's still spicy hot. I mean, you can build up a sweat. There's a little bit of a cold air breeze every once in a while, but for the most part, you can hang out on the beach. Those sand blowers are very popular with people. I think every time someone's using that. Those beam scooters cruise this boardwalk. I was over at Gwangan Beach. I also did a tour there if you guys want to watch that. I just rode the metro over here. Getting around on the subway is definitely the best way to get around. You would think it would be taxis or rideshare, but I don't have the rideshare app working because I don't have a Korean phone number. But I'd love to see how efficient that is, because I see lots of taxis. I mean, you can see this, but like if I try to flag any of these taxis down right now, they wouldn't even stop. They would look at me like, what are you doing? It's not that they don't want to give me a ride, it's that they can't stop in these areas. But you can see they're around. A lot of times they're full anyway. Oh. Some diners right here. Yeah, I still think that's the best area right there. Just great views and everything. Close enough to the beach. Okay. On the road again. Here's one of these kite flyers. They use fishing line for their kites. I mean, those things are way out there. Look at that. It's got a whole spool. is Sunday.
감사합니다. 가을여 마리가 마이크를 맡고 있지 의자를 뒤로 빼는데. 자, 앞에 보시고 우리 인사 먼저 한번 해볼까? 자, 우리 내 친구 여러분 잘했나요? 인사드리니까 박수 크게 보내주세요. 차렷! 준비를 했다고 합니다. 수영과 청소년 어린마다 모든 무대 공연에 참여 중이라고 합니다. 공인물이라고 하시죠. 자, 오늘 멋진 무대를 부탁드리겠습니다. 브랑와 여러분들 큰 박수로 모시겠습니다. 박수!
Okay.
수영구청에서 알려드립니다. 사계절 아름다운 광안리해변을 찾아주신 여러분을 진심으로 환영합니다. 광안리해변은 우리 모두가 함께 사용하는 공간으로 안전을 위하여 다음 사항을 준수하여 주시기 바랍니다. 광안리해변 일원은 금연구역입니다. 해수욕장 내 폭죽행위, 취사 및 야영행위는 금지되어 있으며 허가받지 않은 상행위 및 버스킹 공연은 불가합니다. 광안리 해변 버스킹 공연은 수영구청 홈페이지를 통한 사전 허가대로 운영되고 있습니다. 미허가 공연자께서는 즉시 철수하시기 바랍니다. 위반 행위 적발 시 경범죄 처벌법 인근 소란죄에 해당하여 벌금형으로 처벌될 수 있으니 참고하시기 바랍니다.
K-pop o'clock.
달려간 동반 시에는 반드시 물줄을 착용하고
Okay, here we go.
수고하시기 바랍니다.
Some more K-pop.
여러분의 협조를 바랍니다.
순간이 바로 그 순간이야. 제일 맘에 드는 옷을 입고 노란 꽃 한 송 이를 손에 들고 널 바라보다 그만 나도 모르게 웃어버렸네. 이게 아닌데 내 맘은 이게 아닌데 널 위해 준비한 500가지 멋진 말이 남았는데 사랑한다는 그게
That guy actually has a good voice. El Carnitas, tacos, burger in New York. It's a nice beach. I prefer this one over Hyundai. I wonder what happens to this place in the winter time. Yeah, this is definitely a happening place. When you come to Busan, you need at least 48 to 72 hours. You can't do it in 24 hours. It's too big. It's too much to go. Too much to do. Same with Seoul. There's way too much to do and it's too spread out. I mean, you could do it in 24 hours, but you'll feel like you missed a lot. People dress like it's freezing out and it's hot. It's actually hot. Hotel Central Bay, that's a good location. Happy Monk. That little dog has a diaper. She put a diaper dog.
머리만 안 깎겠네.
그래서 그 사람한테 하나 달라고 했어.
Ah, get the Visit Busan pass. Okay, there's a lot to this beach. Yeah, this one I'm gonna say it's more lively and happening than Hyundai Beach. I want to call it Hyundai, but I'm not so sure. I want to call it Hyundai because that's the car.
여러분들이 큰 산인 중간고사 오늘이 재충전의 기회가 되어서 중간고사 이겨내고 남은 학기 잘 마무리하시고
Man, the World Expo is going to be amazing here.
위에서 합시다. 우리 교수님과 사진 찍자. 올라오세요. 다 같이. 자, 다음 교수님도 뽑아주시고. 다 같이 그렇지. 다 같이 찍을게요. 일반적으로 사진 찍을게요. 마사지건입니다.
Stand-up paddleboards.
마사지건 드릴게요. 34번 올라오세요. 마사지건. 자, 마지막 마사지건 주인공은요. 12번
Got lots of stand-up paddleboards down here on this side, and it looks like they have like a water world playland out there on the ocean. I don't know if it's open or if it's closed right now because it's getting close to Halloween. I don't see anyone out there. I don't see any paddleboards on the water. Shabu shabu. Fresh. Okay, everybody. That's going to conclude this episode of Island Hopper TV Travel Highlights. Oh, we've got a lot of ground to cover here.